family. Diane here. I'm in my office and I wanted to reach out to you and say, hey, thank you once again for being a part of our Yogastea community and family. And we've had a whole bunch of new family members that I wanted to say a quick shout out to. Had to write them down because there was a lot. I want to say hi to Jasmine, Lisa, Carla, Melissa, Susan, Deborah, Sarah, and Clara. So thank you so much for joining our Yogastea family. I hope you're enjoying the site, and if you have any questions at all, don't forget to join our Yogastea Facebook group. We have this wonderful family and community there where we support each other all the time. So I'm asking you to just join that group. If you have any questions, you can always email me, but I'm super happy that you're here. The message for this week is to start slow. Baby steps. So my new thing is every morning for the month of March, I'm getting up half an hour earlier and I'm doing 10 minutes of yoga, 10 minutes of meditation, 1 liter of water, and an inspirational quote. And I've been, I have a couple books around. I'm just looking on my bookshelf here to see what I have. But I have a couple books around. My favorite inspirational quote book is actually the Oprah book. I don't have it close to me right now, but you can find inspiration anywhere. You can find it on social media. You can find it on the internet. But I hope that you'll join us in this little challenge, and it's just for you. It's something you can do for you. And maybe if you feel motivated, you can post your inspirational quote on your Facebook page and see what happens. Just put it right in your status. I find that not only does it help you, it also ends up helping a lot of other people. So have a great day. Don't forget to practice, and let's stay connected. Ciao.